Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Mummy Finger. Muffins are an integral part of kids' birthday parties. Let's see how to make simple vanilla muffins. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of flour. Always sift the flour to avoid lumps. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix them well. In the mixer, add 2 eggs and beat them well. Add 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. One cup of oil or butter. Mix all the ingredients well. Add the dry ingredients in the mixer. In a muffin tray, arrange the muffin cases and fill the muffin mix up to half of the cases. Bake them in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Baking time may vary according to the oven. Check if the muffins are baked well by inserting a toothpick or a knife. Soft vanilla muffins are ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.